Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy banana bread with chocolate. This simple method ensures a moist, flavorful loaf every time, perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful snack. We'll walk through gathering your ingredients, mashing those ripe bananas and combining everything just right. The key is not to overmix, keeping the texture light and tender. Then, it's into the oven until golden brown and perfectly baked. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Let's dive into the heart of our recipe, the ingredients and initial mixing. You'll want 3 to 4 very ripe bananas. Their sweetness is crucial. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. This careful separation helps ensure a perfectly balanced batter. Now for the best part, adding the chocolate and baking. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients until just combined. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Then, stir in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips or chunks milk, dark or a mix. It's up to you. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once your beautiful chocolate banana bread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This recipe yields 1 generous loaf, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days, or freeze slices for a quick treat later. Enjoy a warm slice with your morning coffee or as a comforting dessert. It's truly a simple pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.